we came on the Rose Parade trip and have had such a wonderful time. I've been wanting to come and see the Rose Parade as long as I can remember. I watched it as a little girl, from like the age of 3, and it was a big family event for us, so that's why I wanted to see it in person. I think the best part for me was decorating a float. I never thought that I would be on a Rose Parade float. I never thought I'd get to see one up close and personal, and that was just a magnificent day. I'm not sure whether the Rose Parade, it was a close second, I think, almost. But we signed up while we were here for the polar bear migration trip. And so that's really the 3rd trip we've got planned in the future. We're going to the Maritimes and we're going to the Balloon Fest next year. And so we can't go on the polar bear migration trip until 2023, but we're already looking forward to it. We had great wagon masters, great assistant wagon masters at this rally. It was just so much fun.